Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching my videos. And in today's videos, I'm going to review Builderall affiliate program, which is one of the most and robust digital marketing platform. And they have a most solid affiliate program for serious entrepreneurs. And I will also show you my entire account where I'll show you my entire income just from Buildroll and how much I have earned from Buildroll for last 1.5 year. It will not be that much amount, but I have earned a huge money just promoting this affiliate program. And then the Buildroll affiliate program. As you can see, the most solid affiliate program for seniors entrepreneurs. We pay millions in recurring commission every month for entrepreneurs like you. So as you can see, Buildroll is a completely digital marketing platform. If you have not watched my Buildroll review, then link is in the description below or in the I button where you can watch the complete review. I've reviewed all the tools Builderall has to offer, what are their pricing and all that. So in this video, we are only going to review their affiliate program. So their affiliate program is two-tier affiliate program. So in one, it is an affiliate program. So let's say you purchase Builderall using my affiliate link. So I will get and 100% commission for the first month, but for the next month I will get 30% commission every month until you stop using Builderall. Next, if you promote Builderall to someone else and they purchase using your affiliate link, because you joined under my affiliate link, so I will also earn a 30% commission on their sales as well. That is why I say Builderall is a solid platform as a reverse digital marketing firm and a solid affiliate program. So here you can see, you can watch, you can go on this page. I will share a link in the description of this video. Here you can see that how people are earning. You can see James Nabel Taylor is the number one affiliate for Builderall alone, and he has earned more than $500,000 just promoting Builderall alone. Chad Bartlett, $500,000 from Builderall. Alex Friedman, $400,000 Builderall. Katrina, $300,000 from Pilroll. Franca, 220,000 $220,000 US dollars. 250K US dollar Marco. Barbie Figure 200K from Bill Roll, and James 1500 US dollar from Bill Roll. So here is the example of Bill Roll, their second tier commission system, which you can yourself apply. You go to this page and then what you have to do, you have to two things: how many sales you can bring per year. Let's say you bring 10 customers and you bring 5 affiliates. Let's say you bring 10 affiliates and those 10 affiliates brings 10 customers. So after 1 year, your affiliate commission will be 2,372 US dollar just by promoting this affiliate program. Plus, plus 100% commission of the first month is not included in this. So can you see that this is a reversed affiliate program and this is a solid affiliate program. So there is two options to join Builderall affiliate program. One is to purchase Builderall. You can use it for managing your business and then you will be approved as affiliate automatically. Second is a solo affiliate where you will become a free affiliate, but you have to wait for 30 days. They will check your details, your website, your YouTube channel, your social media handle and all that, and then they will approve your account and you can start promoting Builderall. If you want to join Builderall affiliate program, link is in this description of this video. Go and join their affiliate program. If you want to test out this platform, I've given the 14 days free trial link in the description of this video. You can go and try their digital marketing platform for just 14 days for free. So let's go to my account and see how much I have on just promoting this affiliate program alone. So friends, I'm on my Builderall affiliate account where I'm showing you my entire affiliate income from just promoting this affiliate program, this Rebus affiliate program. Here you can see I'm on my account and I'll press enter or I'll click on this refresh button so that it will be very transparent for you guys to understand this is a real account and this is no fake account, no screenshot, no fake recordings, and an complete natural account, so that you'll understand that how much I have earned promoting this affiliate program. So here you can see the apps, homepage, training, and all that. But we are on the affiliate dashboard, and we'll scroll down, and here you can see my estimated earning for last 30 days. BRL is Brazilian country, Euro, and then USD. Then you can come down, and here you can see my all-time earning just promoting this program alone. For all time I've earned $11,199, almost 11,199 USD, 11k USD, 250 euro, and 1,305 Brazilian currency I've earned from this affiliate program, and everything is from direct sales. I have not bring any affiliate as of now. You can see, because I was using it for my business. Now I've started bringing the affiliates. So here you can see my current earning is pending. This is pending, is it means it's pending for approval. Brazilian available, USD, Euro, and Brazilian. And here you can see I have been paid 9k USD, 218 Euro, and 388 Bla- mm, Brazilian currency. So this is an amazing affiliate program because it gives you 100% first month affiliate commission, and then 30% per month. So this is the chance for you guys to join their affiliate program, promote it to your audience. You can bring people from other platforms, just like people who are fed up overpaying, charging overpaying for digital marketing tools such as ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Kata, GetResponse, and all that. So best chance is to bring affiliates, bring customers on this platform, and you will earn 100% commission for the first month, and then 30% commission every month. So go and click on the description of this video and join their affiliate program and start promoting Buildroll. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video. If you don't like the video, give a thumbs down to this video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to YouTube channel so that you will get notified whenever I'll publish a new video on my YouTube channel. So that's for today. We will meet in the next one. Till then, goodbye. Have fun. Take care.